Good afternoon. I wanted to do a quick little update on my utility trailer refurb that I'm doing here. I got my D-rings welded on, so all the welding components of this are complete. This is a trailer that I used in the sandblasting video for the cheap little sandblaster. I'll put a link down below if you want to see the video or buy one of those sandblasters. It worked pretty well. This trailer does have a removable fold-down tailgate ramp. So it has been sprayed. I used some pretty good quality Sherwin-Williams, made straight from metal paint. I'm really glad I'm a better welder than a painter because it's definitely not perfect at all. But it's painted, ready to go. Next, I'm going to put in the wiring. I've completely pulled all the wiring out of it. And I'm going to put a control box that mounts right about there in front of my toolbox. It's a little bit better, cleaner mount, and then I'll have a 7-way plug to go to my truck because that's really what I prefer, and that's what's on the truck. And I took the hubs out, went to local trailer supply, and got new hubs for it, and have them fully packed and greased, ready to go. So when it's all said and done, I should have pretty much a new trailer. You see sitting over here, right there, is the decking. So fresh 2x8 decking going in the back of the trailer. I should hopefully do the wiring video this next week. If there's anything specifically that you want to see done on this trailer, have questions about, leave me a comment and I'll be happy to try to either make a new video, answer it here, or do something else to help out. I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you.